Hey everyone, Gil at Graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a little tool most of you probably never even thought about getting. That is an infrared thermometer. Now, if you watched some of my videos last winter, I was using this to go outside and see what the temperature was on the side of the house and on the trash can several feet away from the house. Try to get a good reading of how cold the polar vortex was. This also does hot temperatures too. Actually, this does from minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to a 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. Or if you want the centigrade, it's minus 50 degrees centigrade to 550 degrees centigrade. So, but you can do. There's a lot of uses for this. Everything from besides checking the cold temperature, checking the hot temperature, seeing if something is producing the proper amount of heat coming out, like a furnace ducting and stuff like that. If you're welding something and you say, "Is that hot? Can I touch that yet?" Oh, that's still too hot to touch. Save your fingers. So think about this little tool. Think of it. Find out if it's something you think you need. And if it is, start looking around and see if you can get a good deal on one. In the meantime, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and add a new skill. All right? You really need to get more prepared this winter.